Hi guys, it's Friday night. We're gonna be spending our night here in Even Hotel dito sa Waco. 2 minutes lang ang drive from here to Waco Convention Center kung saan gaganapin ang gymnastics meet nila Danica. Maaga ang competition nila kaya napagdesisyonan na lang naming mag-asawa na mag-overnight stay sa hotel para di kami gigising ng super aga para bumiyahe kasi 2 hours and 20 minutes din ang biyahe from our house papunta dito. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
This is way prettier than
Get in. Where are we going? Why did you take? Ooh, coffee. Turn the light on. Oh, smells good in here. Maluwag din siya. Ayun, bongga, meron silang exercise equipment sa wall. Adin.
This is perfect.
Why are you chicken nutting across the road?
Why?
To pop into the dog's mouth.
Wash the dude away.
Wash the what?
Wash the dude.
Oh, okay.
Wash your bum bum.
Did you wash your bum bum?
A long time ago. Wash your bum bum. It's a big river.
Good size river, excuse me.
I just want to instead of Danica.
Okay. Ang aga namin, kami pa lang ang tao, pero ongoing na yung competition ng bronze level. Nasa silver level si Danica. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, mga 10 teams ata yung maglalaban-laban dyan.